This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video. Refreshing this thing. I'm a bit nervous here, and oh my god, I can't believe it! Hey, how you doing everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I think many of you guys heard of staking, but it's really hard to find some adequate terms and conditions for staking. But not that long ago, I found this method for staking TRX, and it really impressed me. Everything I'm showing in my videos is purely my personal experience. This is not financial advice. It's just for fun, okay? And I'm gonna go here. Yeah, just like that. And this is the thing I was talking about. For starters, I'm just gonna launch this game. This is a regular Minesweeper game. This game is fun, but with this thing, my gaming experience is much better, okay? So, but first things first, I'm just gonna set everything up. I'm gonna follow the steps. And I wanted to say, guys, that everything that I'm showing in my videos is just my personal experience. I don't give financial advice. It's only for entertainment, so think with your own head before doing anything. And by the way, all the data here is open source, and the calculator that this thing uses is also available on the internet. So, this thing is loading. I'm almost there. Yep. So, I'm all set. Now I'm gonna go with this option. And here's the deal. It says it's not available right now. There are certain requirements here, so I'm gonna fix this real quick. Give me just a sec. I'm just gonna go here. I'll try to be fast here. Okay, I'm gonna enter this thing right here, and I'm gonna enter this amount. That's gonna be enough. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna double check the data here. Yep. All good. Now I'm just gonna wait till it's done. It's done. I mean, it takes literally 2 seconds here. Now I'm gonna check if it's there. Yep, it's already here. It's already here. That's just amazing. So now I can just click this button. And yeah, this is exactly what I was expecting here. This is something else. I mean, with this thing, my gaming experience is something else. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna open every single one just like that. I mean, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. This is crazy, but that's just how it is. I mean, I was loving this gameplay. This gameplay is something else. I'm so excited here. Okay, so I'm on the cloud 9, but this is not all, because I'm just gonna send it back to me, because that's the whole point here. Okay, so give me just a sec. I'm gonna refresh this thing because it's gonna be there in literally, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. I'm literally shivering. I'm so nervous. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna keep refreshing this thing. I'm a bit nervous here, and oh my god, I can't believe it. Am I dreaming? I don't know what to say. This is something else. I mean, that's just how it is. That's just how it is. I'm on the cloud freaking 9. I mean, all the details are here. I don't know. It's just, I'm just dreaming. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless, because this is freaking insane. That's freaking insane. So guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.